from the Voice of Montbello podcast. Today we are here at the Fresh Low Walkable Loop at McGlone Academy celebration. This event is organized by the Montbello Organizing Committee. There are so many fun activities. Let's see what people are up to.
My name is Mayra and I work for the Montbello Organizing Committee, a nonprofit here in Montbello. And part of the work that I do is to make sure that our streets are safe for people to walk, bike, or to get around on the bus, or if they're driving, make sure that they can get around safely to their destinations. And so this event, before the rain, we were going to go on a bike ride to start to look at our streets to make sure that we could identify issue areas so that our partners can help us fix them. And so here at the event behind us, we have people from the city at the Safe Routes to School program who are helping the different schools identify issue areas so that they can help fix the streets, the crosswalks, make sure that students can get to school safely. And so that's part of the work that I do, and that's why I wanted to host this event.
What inspired you to keep all the streets and every area safe?
So I live here in Montbello. My parents actually live a couple of blocks away from the school. And something that we noticed was that, especially here at McGlone, something I noticed is a lot of parents drop their kids off on cars. And that creates a lot of traffic. And I've seen some instances where it's not safe for the students who are walking, and I don't think I've ever really seen a student bike to the school. And so I would love for there to be alternatives for those kids who do want to walk, who do want to bike, make sure that the streets are safe for them so that they can get to school safely and then get back home safely as well.
And one more question. What do you like about Montbello?
I love Montbello. Montbello is my home. I love the people here, how friendly it is. I mean, they come out, everybody comes out to support. If you can get a shot to the background, you'll see there's people out there dancing Zumba right now. Today was a super rainy day, and you would think nobody's gonna show up, it's raining. But Montbello, people show up, they're here, they're celebrating. We're trying to do things safely because we're still in the pandemic, but ultimately, I love our people, I love our culture, our diversity, and just how everybody supports each other.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What is one thing you like about Montbello?
Oh my goodness, I like so many things, but I love seeing a diverse group of people come together and enjoy themselves together.
I feel like that's a wonderful way to like Montbello.
What I like about Montbello is Montbello has always been real, But I'm gonna tell you right now, Montbello, I like how it's doing right now. You know what I'm saying? I like how it's going down. I love y'all. Montbello on purpose.
People are really enjoying these events, and I feel like there should be more of these events so people can gather up and create more of a friendly community, so the community can be very welcoming for new people when they move here. Can't wait to see you at the next event. The Voice of Montbello podcast signing off.